Hi everyone, doing an unboxing of the Google Wi-Fi home mesh system. Picked this up at Apex Electric here in Moose Jaw for the cost of $399.99. So just gonna open it up and see what we have in the package. You can get this in a single pack for the cost of, I believe it was $179, or 3 packs for $399. I went with the 3 packs just because of the size of the house. Okay, well, inside here, as you guys can see, they're puck sized. They're pretty big, actually. I was actually surprised. Oh, they're pretty light. You have your 2 ports, one for connecting to the modem, the other one so that you can have a connection for like a computer or something like that. There's a power cord, so pretty nice, pretty nice. So there's 3 of them in the box. Setup instructions. And then it looks like we have a package here where it is your cables. So your plug-in cable and your Ethernet cable. That's everything in the box. That's an unboxing of the Google Wi-Fi Mesh system.